This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the expo. I have to check out this. This is like a freaking humongous minivan. Or yeah, I'm not sure if it's called van, but it has a humongous grill. It's an electric car. I can even see the cooling in here. Well, do we need a bigger grill? Huh? The grill covers the whole front. More grill means, a bigger grill means more status. Yeah. So let's see. It has head-up display. Wow. Can we check out this one? Look at those seats. Holy macaroni. Wow. It's quite yellow or brown, or I don't know what kind of color this is. Yeah. But we have one USB-A, one USB-C. We have the bridge design there. We have wireless charging pad here. We have some space here. I'm not sure what that one is for. We have cup holders here. We have center console here. Wait, huh? What? Huh? Oh, there's a lid. Oh, it's a fridge. It's a freaking fridge here. Holy macaroni, huh? What the heck, man? They have gone bananas. Look at this. This is Chinese. Yeah, they haven't ported it for Thailand yet. But let me check something here. If I adjust, let me close the door here. Hammond carton, wow. This is, I think this is from Great Wall Motors. Yeah, it's in that. Okay, so if I adjust the seat for myself roughly here, can I touch the, you see, I need to, yeah, okay. I need to bend forward to reach I need to bend forward to reach the edge of that, or I don't know what, if this is even button. That's kind of weird. They should have pulled this screen slightly closer to the user now. Are they expecting that people who will be driving this car, they have orangutan arms? So yeah, but man, what the heck, man? They have perforated roof. Do you need perforation in the roof? Yes, maybe you need it. What the heck? Let me check here. Huh? What else do we have here? Headroom is plenty, 173 centimeters. These are some massive rear seats. Well, okay, there's a preset there. If you want to enter the third row. Wait, but the third row is also pretty good. But then, wait, how is this organized? If you want to enter the third row, huh? What? It's like a big cluster fudge of seats here. I mean, they are big and nice, but how do they actually work against each other? You see, this is weird. Let me try to sit here. What is this? Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Seat ventilation, massage, or whatever. Huh? Okay, this is massage, I'm guessing. Holy macaroni. What about here? Cup holder. Some center. I think you're supposed to be able to open this. I'm not sure how it works. Oh, sun shade there. Air vents, light here. Oh, I see. Now I understand why they have perforated roofs. It has like a star. Oh, can you see it? I think if we close this, let me see if I can reach and close this one. There. Okay, if it's dark enough, you will see that we have star roof. Oh shit! What the heck, man? And then here we also have some HVAC controls here. We're sending data to China. Look here. You see, the charge port is here, but we have the sliding door. So if you're plugged in, then the door will not open. You know, if they could just put a charge port here, maybe that would have solved the problem. No, they had to put the charge port there. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, this is I don't know if it's a van or a minivan, but it's humongous. Yeah, okay, I see now. You're supposed to put those third row further back, then you have more space. But even now in the forward version, you have plenty of space here. Let me see, what do we got here? We have all the folding stuff here. Okay, you can push them. I'm not sure what that one does. Oh, you push them back. Okay, you want to go back? Yeah, with these two, you see? Very convenient that you can just adjust them back here. Yeah, oh, wow, okay. Oh, you see how they can intrude quite a lot into the trunk. So then you have plenty of leg room there. And it almost seems like these seats are almost the same. Well, not almost, but they have very good comfort compared to the front there, or the middle there. Wait, there is a charge port here also, which there are two charge ports here. Oh, I bet one is for AC and one is for DC. But again, why didn't they put it further back? Well, I don't know. Wow, look at this. When we open up here, like normally the third row will be quite cramped. Here, this is the kind of legroom you get in the third row. This is massive. There are some buttons here. You're supposed to be able to go forward and then recline. Let me show you here. If I go more forward, and I can, this is going to show, this is the craziest third row ever, because you can just, wait, is that maximum recline? Yeah, okay. Something you sit like this. Wait, what, huh? Wait. This is the lower, like, that's the lower position on the armrest, because you are reclining, it follows the reclining thing. That's weird. I want to have it slightly more down, but you can't do that. But it's just madness that you get this comfort in the third row also. And then of course, because it's Thailand, if the sun is too strong, you just pull up this. So there you guys have it. It has a huge grill, but it has a lot of cool stuff behind the grill also. Will it ever come to Europe? I highly doubt it. But at least I show you guys what is possible in the crazy East here. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.